Alright, this is going to be a steam up of the Bing 9064/2, circa 1909. The steam pipe was replaced by Danny, and we also used an aging product on the pipe. Came out really good. He did an awesome job on it. Danny, thank you. And as a result, now we're gonna get it up to steam. So here we go. All right, well, we'll give it a minute, and we'll get it up to steam. So very excited to see this running. It's a reversing engine. It's got a beautiful base on it, as you can see. And it's in pretty good shape. Haven't done anything to it other than Danny making his expert repairs. So we'll be back in a couple minutes.
Yeah.
There we go.
Let's see if it runs in the other way.
He's determined to get it running both ways.
That's what it's made for.
There it goes.
Yeah, that's it.
Now it's humming. Let's go back the other way now.
Yep. Well, it runs good.
Yeah. More else to burn.